In this video, we will describe how to set up and install the Poolguard Door Alarm model DAPT-WT. The DAPT-WT door alarm is UL listed for UL 2017. Let's go ahead and open the box. Inside the box, we have the switch and magnet. The magnet will go on the door and the switch will go on the door frame. We have the actual door alarm itself. And we have the outdoor wireless transmitter. And this will actually go on the outside of your home. This door alarm will sound immediately when the door is open. So this outdoor wireless transmitter will be mounted on the outside of your home and will allow you to come back into the home without the alarm sounding. So let's go ahead and show you how to operate the switch and the magnet. Now the switch has a knockout on the side, and this will be where the wires go that come from the door alarm. To open this, you can hold it on the ends and just pop it open right there, and the cover will come off. You'll see there's two screws, one screw for each wire coming from the door alarm, and it doesn't matter which wire goes to which screw. And the magnet, you want to hold it in the middle and pop it open on the ends, and it comes right apart. And the hardware is included in the bottom of the bag. There's also hardware in here to mount your door alarm. You want to mount this on the wall. There's two keyholes on the back, and that will allow you to hang this door alarm on the screws that you place into the wall. The outdoor wireless transmitter has anchors if you have brick or mason on the outside of your home, and it also comes with two screws, and you can see the mounting holes here for that. Now we will mount the alarm on the wall. Okay, now that we have our alarm mounted on the wall, and we want to make sure that we mounted our alarm at least 54 inches above the threshold of the door. And that also goes for the outdoor wireless transmitter button that goes on the outside of the house. It also has to be mounted at least 54 inches above the threshold of the door. Okay, in this installation, this is on a sliding door that's flat with the outside of the house. So we had to install the contacts this way. The magnet is on the door, the switch is on the inside where the magnet will actually slide underneath the switch. That'll work just fine. Now if this door would happen to be out here in flush, of course we would have mounted like normal, like this. But in this case, we had to mount it like that. Okay, now we're ready to put the battery into the alarm. To install the 9-volt battery, you will need to bend down the battery spring. And what this is for, if you don't have a battery in it, you can't put the case back together. So the battery spring goes underneath the battery, so it goes under there, and then slide the battery into the battery terminals on the door alarm. Now we're ready to put the front cover back on. To put the cover back on, we have our battery in there, and we have the alarm removed from the wall. Just pop it together, and we put the screw back in the back. And once we get the screw in, the alarm will be ready to be hung back on the wall. Okay, now that we have the 9-volt battery installed and the alarm back up on the wall, I want to explain the features on the front of the alarm. This is the pass-through switch. This is the red LED. It will flash once every 10 seconds, except for when the horn is sounding, it'll flash rapidly. And this is the horn hole where the sound comes out. Now this is the model DAPT-WT, which means the alarm will sound immediately if the door is open and the pass-through switch is not pushed. I'll demonstrate that. So we also have our outdoor wireless transmitter already mounted on the outside of the house. So to go from the inside out, you simply push the button, and that gives you 14 seconds to go through the door and close it behind you. Now we will move to the outside and show you how to come from the outside in. Okay, we have our outdoor wireless transmitter mounted on the outside of the house. And the way you use this is you press and hold the pass-through switch for about 2 or 3 seconds until you hear the indoor unit chirp. After you hear the indoor unit chirp, you have 14 seconds to go through the door and close it behind you. So just press and hold. The indoor unit chirped. You can enter the home and close the door behind you.